Do another recording here. We just entered another one. Right there is probably where we are going. So let's see what happens here. See if their signal disappears or not. Now this red line has nothing to do with the bot. This is me. I'm making a new indicator. And this red line shows support. It's on a high time frame support. So if this keeps on going, this will disappear because our signal's gone. See what happens here if we get a reversal here and start coming back down. Looks like we are. Our signal is going to stay there. Our stop is right here. Our entry's here. First target, second target, and then a runner. So we're in the trade. Not looking too good. There's our losing trade. That's our first loser today. So the way it's working right now, it looks like we are going to start consolidating a little bit. We'll see what happens. Again, we're up over $5,000.